In slide 44, we have seen that 1 over 1 minus x is actually the sum of the geometric series 1 plus x, x squared, and so on. You can write it in sigma notation. Summation x power r from 0 to infinity. X power r, if you put r as 0, you get x power 0, which is 1. If you put r as 1, you get x, r as 2, you get x squared, and so on. So which means this sum 1 plus x, x squared, and so on can be written in sigma notation as summation r from 0 to infinity x power r. And the condition is x between minus 1 and 1. We shall use this result to express certain function as infinite series. And later when you do polynomial extension, you will find that this is very useful. And before that, I want to show you some example and how to use it. Because the expression given to you need not be 1 over 1 minus x. You can be given as 1 over 1 minus 2x, 1 over 5 minus 4x, 1 over 1 plus x, 1 over 2 plus x, and how to make it into this form, and then you can expand it out easily. So I'll show you this form, and later I'll show you an example. Okay, so you know that 1 over 1 minus x is 1 plus x squared plus x cubed, and so on, right? You can take the x. You take the x as a box. Okay, so it's same as 1 over 1 minus box equal to 1 plus box, then box with a square, box with a cube, and so on. So which means if you want 1 over 1 minus 2x, then you take it as inside the box, you fill in 2x. That means inside all the boxes, you fill in 2x. So all the boxes you fill in 2x. So it should be 1 plus 2x plus 2x and square, and plus 2x cubed, and so on. So it should give you 1 plus 2x plus 4x squared plus ax cubed, and so on. Okay. So box is just fill in 2x to every boxes. Okay. So if you want 1 over 1 plus x, then you should write it as 1 over 1 minus x. Okay. To use this formula, here has to be a minus. It has to be 1 over 1 minus x, so it has to be a minus sign. So if it's a plus sign, you should write it as minus x. So which means what you have to do is you choose to fill in minus x into the boxes. So in all the boxes, you fill in minus x. Okay. Let me show you using the next slide. Okay. So which means if you have 1 over 1 minus x, it's actually 1 plus box square plus box cube, and so on. So 1 over 1 plus x, take it as is 1 over 1 minus x. So you fill in minus x into the boxes. So it should be 1 plus minus x. So you take it as minus x is inside the box. So it's minus x square, then minus x and cube, and so on. So you'll find that eventually it gives you 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed, and so on. So next we look at 1 over 5 minus 4x. In order to use this formula, it has to be a 1. Okay. Then the x term need not be x term. Just now I have shown you x term can be can be 2x, is okay. You just fill in 2x into the boxes. But you must make sure it's 1 minus something. It's 1 minus box. In box, you can fill in any expression. But you fill in the same expression to all the boxes. Okay. So which means the first thing to do is you take out a 5 from the factor to make it 1. Because 5 to make it 1 is you take out 5. So you write it as 1 minus 4 over 5x. Okay. Then you take it as is 1/5 and 1 over 1 minus 4 over 5x. Okay, so that means you should choose 4x over 5 and fill inside the boxes. So this one go inside the box. So the answer should be 1 over 5 bracket 1 plus minus 4 over 5x plus minus 4 over 5. Sorry, no minus, it's just 4 over 5. Because it's just fill in 4x over 5, so no minus sign. It's easy to make mistakes, so you have to be careful. Okay. So we should get, and then you can just simplify this. Okay. Let's go back. So I have to show you this 3. So how about this one? 1 over 2 plus x. 1 over 2 plus x. You can actually do something similar. You can actually do something similar. Okay. So what? Let me put it nicely. So it's 1 over 2 plus x. It's actually 1 over 2 bracket 1 plus x over 2. So it's actually 1 over 2 bracket 1 minus x over 2. Okay, so you should write it as half bracket 1 over 1 minus x over 2. So it means minus x over 2 will go inside the box. And remember the formula is very easy to remember. Is 1 plus box square box cube and so on. Right? Remember, it's very easy to remember. Right? It's 1 plus box square box cube. So it's very easy. You just make sure the first number here is 1, and this is a minus sign. And then what appears here will go inside the boxes to every term here. So which means you should give you half bracket 1 plus minus x over 2. All the boxes, right, you can replace it by bracket. A box is just a bracket. Okay. So we should give you half bracket 1 minus x over 2 plus x squared over 4 minus x cubed